What are they doing out here? The superstar in the ring is expecting another opponent. This is... Oh, now I get it, Byron. Now I get it. Oh, no, no. This superstar attacked the person who was supposed to be in this matchup, and now making a beeline for the ring.
What a shame this is.
This isn't even the scheduled match. We're gonna have a brawl anyway.
Yeah, these two superstars, we know they can't stand each other, and now we're seeing why.
Hammer it away. Official knocked out of the way. Here we go. Oh, look at this, locked in. Submission move here. Oh, my goodness, this hurts. Oh!
Got the full Nelson.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
What a clothesline!
Ouch! Momentum not on the Nature Boy side. At this point, it's all about how he responds and potentially rebounds.